Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover activity animation slide in out from left and right. For activity animation slide in out from left and right in Android, we need to create XML animation files. And in the XML animation files, we use from X delta and to X delta. Mobile screen X delta 0%, left hand side minus 100%, right hand side 100%. In Android Studio, first we will create a new project. We will select empty activity. We'll give a name to the project and language kotlin. For animation slide in right and slide out left, we will be required two XML animation files. We will right click in the resource directory, new Android resource file, file name slide in right, resource type animation, root element set, directory name anim. In slide in right XML animation file from X delta 100% to X delta 0%, duration 400. We will again right click in the resource directory, then new Android resource file, file name slide out left, resource type animation, root element set, directory name anim. In slide out left XML animation file from X delta 0% to X delta minus 100%, duration 400. Now we will go to the main activity layout file, and there we are creating a text view and a button. On clicking the button, we will start a new activity where we will apply slide in right and slide out left animation. We will create a new activity. We will right click in the package where main activity is there, then new activity, empty activity, activity name, activity C and language kotlin. We will go to the activity C layout file, and there we are creating a text view. In the main activity onCreate method, we are getting the reference of the button and we are setting onClick listener on the button, and inside it we are starting activity C. For activity animation, after start activity, we need to use override pending transition. It has two parameters. First parameter is the animation file for the activity that we are starting, and second parameter is the animation file for a present activity, that is main activity. Activity C will slide in right and main activity will slide out left. When we are in activity C and we will press the back button, then we need to do reverse animation. For that also we need two XML animation files. Anim directory is inside resource directory. We will right click in the anim directory, then new animation resource file, file name slide in left, root element set, directory name anim. In slide in left XML animation file, in translate from X delta minus 100% to X delta 0%, duration 400. We will again right click in the anim directory, then new animation resource file, file name slide out right, root element set, directory name anim. In slide out right XML animation file from X delta 0% to X delta 100%, duration 400. Now we will go to activity C and we will override on backpress method, and inside it below super.onBackpress we need to use override pending transition. First parameter is slide in left XML animation file and second parameter is slide out right XML animation file. That means on clicking the back button when we are in activity C, main activity will slide in from left and activity C will slide out right. Our code is ready now. We could run the app. On clicking the button slide in right, activity C will slide in from right and main activity will slide out left. And when we are in activity C and we will press the back button, main activity will slide in from left and activity C will slide out right. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.